Before to proceed with the implementation of our migrations, we need to solve a very common issue that arose after the Laravel 5.4 release. If we go to our project and see the configuration for the connection to MySQL, we can see that the charset is now UTF-8 MB4. Previously, Laravel used the UTF-8 only. Now, the MB4 addition means that the characters take 4 times the space as in the previous charset. Now, it is because Laravel wants to provide emoticons support directly inside the database, and that is possible only using this specific charset. By default, Laravel uses the 255 characters as a length for the strings. But by default, MySQL only supports 767 characters for the strings that are going to be used as indexes. So if we do some calculations, we have that 255 characters multiplied by 4, it is going to be 1020 characters. But MySQL only supports 767. So now, 767 divided by 4 is going to be 199. So this is going to be the default value that we have to use in order to avoid any kind of problem with the strings in our migrations. So, fortunately, Laravel developers realized that and of course implemented a solution. For that, we just need to go to our app service provider and specify a default string length. Please remember to import the definition of a schema, and we are done here. Now we can easily create migrations using strings without modifying directly the string length. Let's continue in the next class implementing our migrations. See you then.